Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So in the previous tutorial we have added some elements to our project. I think this image is covered and this notification system is also covered. The thing which was remaining, I think these two and the functionality, because by default they will not be visible. So we have to put it away in which they will not be visible. So let's start it with our project. Let's open that UI, and I think it will be fairly simple. I think like under this canvas panel we will have two horizontal blocks, one for the left and one for the right, and inside that we will have two text box, because like one for the x, one for the number, and here one for the number, one for the meter, like how much meter distance is there. So let's do that. It should be pretty, like we can do it in a very quick manner. So horizontal box, add it here, and inside that horizontal box, all let me drag it quickly right here, and I will anchor it in the from the mid position, because this image, iScope image, it is okay. Okay, so I have anchored it using this. It is covering it all. I don't think it will be good. What I will do, I will copy paste this like 1480, and or I can directly anchor it to the mid, and it is in the mid. Let me try changing its value. Yep, now it is in the mid. Cool. Now I will do the same with this. I will anchor it with the mid, and I will adjust its position, and I will put the two text box here. Text box, quickly drag drop it. uh, First is x, press enter, and here I will put the some numbers, some dummy numbers for now, 16 or something like that, 16.0 maybe. uh, Let me align the center. uh, it will be light. Think it's looking good. Okay, think it's sweet. Let's check. Yeah, but right now they are it is way vibrant. So what I will do, I will crank its whiteness down a little, not much. Press OK, and it should be good. So what I will do, I will just copy this horizontal box and paste it one more time. But I will now we will take this at the right hand side, because we are anchoring it to the center only. So I'll position it somewhat here, and I will adjust it according to the alignment. And it's 152 meter, just the dummy values, of course. So where's the text? 52 meter. Let's have some gap, a little from the right, maybe padding in the right 5 would be good. I think it should do the trick. Compile and save. Okay, it's pretty good. I will crank down the text size, because it's pretty big, maybe 20, so things would look even. Slight. Cool. Once this is done, I will create the code inside the rider. So let me open it. because right now we were not doing anything, so today we will code for sure. So first is we have to create text for all, but it is not mandatory because I'm not thinking that we should as for like text for the meter and x, but we can do that too, like just for the uniformity. So one is horizontal and two text box. So horizontal box, two text box. Let me copy this. Okay. So first is the zoom, or we would say field of view container. FOV, but I don't think that we need one, so I would just add one. So TB and FOV value, and for the right, the distance from the target distance, focus distance, or rather I should say focus distance. Uh, Focus distance container. Copy, paste. Uh, I would leave it as it is because we don't require to change it now. And for the second one, we would change its name to tb underscore fo. We just compile and save. We would do the same thing with the other. Copy, paste. Let me change its value. Compile and save. And go back, control B. It should not throw any error. It's compiled successfully. Let me check if everything is good. Okay, just compile and save. Everything is good now. So in now our UI is kinda complete, and if we wanna test it out, it is good. Like everything is seems in the correct order, except this text. It is slightly above. Like we will try to sort it out in further tutorial. Right now, I'm not focusing that. So our prime objective is to hide it. Like by default, they will not be visible. So what I will do, we will check its container. So first is let me go to the rider, and I will, these are the variables. So what I will do, alt enter, generate code, overriding methods. So you can do it manually too, of course. Just to make the process a little faster, I'm using this. So I do want to override native pre-constructor. So it is kind of same we would be using in the blueprint. We have the pre-constructor function. So in the public void pre-constructor, oh first it will be the virtual void pre-constructor, native pre-constructor override. Press alt enter, generate definition. So here what I will do, let me check what is it doing. Not much. So after this super call, I will set the visibility. So in the pre-constructor, what it will do, it will call the pre-constructor like before defining anything. So let me see what are the things which I do want the visibility to be off. So by default, these will be visible. Of course, the FOV, it will be always be visible. Same with the distance, always be there. The notification, it will not be there. So I will just check if it does exist, then set visibility and eSlate visibility to collapsed. So this one is done. Next is the timer container. This is the same, and it is the part of the canvas suspect image container, if I'm not wrong. So let's confirm that. Yes. So this is the part of suspect image container. So we will hide this too. If this is there, then set visibility is late visibility collapsed. Should be good. This is gone. These two are also gone. I think we are sorted. Let me close it and let me compile the whole project again. It is always a good idea if you are making changes in the header file, always close the Unreal Engine. But as we are using 5.1, so I don't know whether that step is required or not. Let me open it again. See, now it is working. Things are there, but they are not visible. This is the perfect thing which we do wanted. Next thing is like we do when do we want to have some visibility of that functionality, right? So let's create a function to it. I think one of the function which I do want it in, and it will be the public. Let me check. Will not be the part of public. It will be the part of protected if I'm not wrong. So protected. Here I will define public, and here I will name it as void first u function, and I want this function to be available on the blueprint side also. So blueprint callable, yes. Okay, next thing is void no, is, is below scope notification f string message. Alt enter, create definition. Yeah. So the u function I am defining at the blueprint callable because this function can be used from anywhere. This is why it is under the public section. So what it will do first, it will set the visibility of the notification. So if it does exist, set its visibility is late visibility to visible. Okay, what else? Next is we do want to set the text. So set text f text. Let me check. From f string message. Okay, this should do the trick. uh, yes, and after some time it should again remove this notification once it is done. So how we will do that, we will so what we will do, like get world dot get timer manager, set timer, uh, and here we need one f timer handler. Mm, notification timer handler, notification timer handler comma. Next is the we need to enter the function. So I would use this one, I guess. So f timer delegate create lambda. Uh, this mm, am I doing something spooky here? I don't think. It is correct. Okay, let's continue. Next, how much delay do you want, or the time? It's 3 second. I don't want it to be repeat. It's sorted. Okay. Next here we have to write the code like after 3 second. What do you want? So I do want its visibility to be gone. So this is first set visibility slate visibility collapsed. This is done. Next is the text. This is not necessary though, but just for the cleanliness. Set text dot f text. This is sorted. Do we need anything else? I don't think so. Shall we try that? Why not? Let's open the project, compile it, control B. It's done. Let's try. Okay, so first thing we have to set the visibility. So let's do it under the construction. What I will do, I will make the visibility on. It is just for the testing, so it should not be an issue. So spec container with the notification one, this one CP. So let me declare it variable. Okay, still it is not visible. So we have to change some settings. So in the meta, I think it's a good idea to blueprint read only, and we can add it for all of these. Let me compile that again, control B. Nope, this one I get what was the name again? Notification CP notification button container. In the construct, I will set its visibility to visible, and I will call that function send. Okay, we have the function. Actually, I think I did some stupid mistake. Uh, Below scope notification. Okay, below scope notification. We could have without changing the property, we could have done like this. So let me try some dummy message is here. Compile and save. Let's check. Some dummy messages here. 3, 2, 1, and it's gone. Uh, we could have done it in very efficient way, in which what we will do, like in the designer, like in the notification center. I think we can add one animation here. Notification gone. Add the track. Cpin notification compare container. It will set its visibility off. So plus visibility collapsed. Okay, not this one. Can you remove it? Yes. Uh, nope. Clipping pivot render opacity. Sorry, this is the one. Let me remove it. So by default it will be 1, so it will become 0 in 1 second, so it will be 0. Okay. uh, what we can do, mm, like we can make one more function, like remove notification function blueprint implementable. Nope. The function can be implemented in the blueprint or level blueprint. No, we don't want that. Native blueprint native event. The function is designed to be overridden by the blueprint but also has the native. Okay, this is what we want. Void uh, destroy notification, and this is it. Alt enter, the only definition. Okay, so here I don't think we need this. Or rather, just sorry if I'm being the hazy here. Let me do it in the blueprint implementable event. So what it will do, we can call this function restore notification here, and let's open the blueprint, control B. Okay, let's try notification. What it will do, it will play this animation. And let me get the end time. If I'm not wrong, this function will give the end time, and I will add the delay to it. After this delay, what was the name of this CP? So let me comment this out. These two container, right? Get scope bottom, set visibility to collapsed. Compile and save. Let's try. Fuck, this is still not working. Have we compiled? Three, two, one. Now it is working. Cool, cool, cool. So this was it. I think we have covered pretty good. Like because okay, so functionality which we have added, it is all working fine. So this was it for today. Just do like and subscribe. If you have any doubt, just comment it below. I will try my best to cover them all. And just have a nice day. Take care.